All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. And I want to go ahead and state, if you guys find this video helpful and informative and worthwhile, and feel encouraged to subscribe, don't just click the subscribe button, but click on the bell so you don't miss a single video. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your recognition to my efforts, your feedback, as well as your valid information when you guys engage in conversation with one another and maintain the honesty and integrity of the community. That speaks in high volumes from all of you, and I appreciate that, and I continue to encourage that so that you guys don't only just speak with one another, but we're all here to learn and grow together, maximize profits and minimize losses, as I always say. But that way you guys can interact and help one another. And that's what really states the fingerprint and the thumbprint, or what you want to call it, right, of what we are here. That's what's encrypted here. We're here to help and learn and grow so we can maximize profits and minimize losses. So I really, really appreciate that from your guys' end, and it speaks in high volume. So thank you so much for that. So here we are after the bullish run that it had, and it recovered over the 50-day moving average. It started to fall again. The bears have taken over, and it's leveled off. The bulls try to reappear, leveling off, but here we are below the 50-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average is 842. I'd write that down. That's a very significant point, because if that's not crossed, the bears are in control. The bulls are going to want to break through that so they can work their way up to newer highs. So this leveled off and closed out at 812, but before they can get to the 50-day moving average, right, of 842, the bulls are going to want to break through 825. Once they break through 825 and they turn it into a support, this could be on its way to newer highs, working itself up to newer levels of resistance, such as 855, slightly 856 here. That is the first resistance level after breaking through the 50-day moving average that they'll want to break through. But before getting there, 825 needs to be broken through, turned into a support, and the bulls can start to work their way up to newer highs. Before I point out the support level down here that's very significant, the first support here that I'm seeing after this leveling off and slightly going up and closing at 812 is 793, but that's not the one that's going to tell you if the bears are gaining control, because there's still a window of uncertainty, and this is the lowest point in the day. This is really going to let you know where we're at. But 793, if you want to know what direction this is going in, and if it breaks through it significantly and quickly, this could be on its way down to the resistance level that I want you guys to pay close attention to, and that's 768. Excuse me, I said resistance level, support level. That is the support level I want you guys to pay very close attention to. The first one's 793. That can tell you the direction of the stock and if it's going on its way down to newer support levels. But 768 is the most significant support level here, because that's the lowest point this has reached since the point of the bearish run. That is why 768 is so significant. If that gets broken through by the bears, this could be on its way to newer lows. And the bears are starting to pull it away from the 50-day moving average and gaining control. We're going to have to see how this tug of war turns out tomorrow. If the bears start to take over, or the bulls can break through this resistance level and work their way up to newer highs of 825. If they break it, turn it into a support, and then work their way to break through the 50-day moving average. Or will the bears take over and start to make this one go in a downward trend deeper into bearish territory by breaking through 768? I hope you guys learned something new and found this video helpful and informative. If you guys did and feel encouraged to subscribe, click on the subscribe button, but don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss a single video. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. Share with your friends and community. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.